Hello, my name is Erik Sihabudin and I will show you how to replace sky in Photoshop just like this. And let's start. Open your image on Photoshop, click edit and select sky replacement. This feature only available on Photoshop 2021 or above. Okay, and this many sky in here. Select the skies. Maybe this. Oh, beautiful. And maybe this. Okay. Maybe like this. I like this one. Okay. And adjust the brightness of the skies. Okay, this is temperature. Make it a little bit warm. Lighting adjustment. Okay, color adjustment. Okay, and click OK. Maybe I will add a little filter. Gaussian blur. This and it's done. And this is before and this is after. And thank you.